Okay, here a little tutorial on using the trace bitmap and the paint bucket. I just loaded a image of a butterfly and we'll go and use the trace bitmap to convert it into a vector. And then we go and click here on the update. Then we go and we can make an adjustment on the brightness threshold, and then we click update and we can set it to wherever we think we are satisfied with the detail, and we'll up the speckle. We will go and optimize it a little, and then if we are satisfied with what we see over here, we click OK, and then we can close the trace bitmap. And then you can see in the object panel that the path is selected right now and the image is underneath it. So then what we do is we'll move over. We can move over the path. Now we can select the image and we can delete the image. And now I will go and resize it. I will go and do the lock button, and then I will go and put in a value on how big I want it, depending on what hoop size you're planning on using it for. So let's say we go for a 4x4 hoop. I put in a 100 value, press enter, and there we have a 4-inch butterfly. Okay, we ended up with a little bit of text here on the bottom. We don't want that. So then what we'll do is we'll go and the point select tool. We can select all of that and we can delete it. And now we can go and check if it is good. Troubleshoot object, and all selected shapes are valid. And there we have a butterfly what is ready to be embroidered. But say we want to colorize this butterfly, then what we can go and do is let's see, we can go, where is my paint bucket here now? The paint bucket. There we go. Now I have the paint bucket. Oh, edit and do set fill color. Now this is way too big. It's filling more than what it needs to. It is overlapping. Oh, now I know. It is, we have to set the stroke to none. And okay, there's two objects. I have to set a stroke for a moment. We'll go to the select tool, select this one and set a stroke to none. That one also the stroke to none. And then, okay, I'll deselect and go my paint bucket again. And Okay, this way we can colorize the butterfly, but as we're zooming in really close, we can see that we're getting here open edges, so it is not overlapping. And in order to go and fix that up, then what we'll do is we'll go to the select tool, zoom out a little bit so the object is a little better visible. Then we can go path and then click on path effects, and then a path effects window will open up. Then we click on the plus, and then we get this box showing up, and that has all kinds of path effects what we can apply. And for this we will be looking for the offset. Single click on there. I'll close the objects panel and fill and stroke. There you go. Okay, now we can go and change the offset value. Oh, it plus offset. Okay, now it is selected. Now we change the offset, and there you can see that it becomes bigger. And then we end up with a little bit of an overlap around the edges. That is what we want. Then we can go to the next object, add a path effect, offset, and we can change the value. Next, offset, change the value. This way we ending up a better overlap for the embroidery. Okay, then we'll select that one. And if you want to change it later on, you can go back in it, and the path effect, if you think it is too much, then you can go and lower the value. This one will add offset, next one plus offset, path effect, offset, and now to see the effect for that matter, what a person can also do is you zoom in a little, and then under view you can go and select the X-ray, and now you can see the line of the green fill and the line of the black. So now you can see that the green, by how much it is overlapping on the black. There you can see the first line I'm seeing on the lower one, that is the green line first, and the inner one is the black. So now at least we end up with a little bit of an overlap. And this way you can continue on painting in the butterfly to your desired colors, and you have a complete colorful butterfly. And then you can go back to the X-ray mode, like you can see here. Also the shortcut, that is Alt 6. And now what we can do is select extension, ink stitch, troubleshoot objects. All selected shapes are valid. Okay. We should go in the objects panel yet. Because the colors we would want to have on the back. Oh, that one. And we know that the black was one object. And we bring them to the bottom. And now there we should be good. Oh. And now we can go select extension, ink stitch params. It should be all good. At least it gave us all the all okay. Well, let's find out if there's something going on yet. Press to cancel. Object has no attribute. Okay, I don't know exactly what that would be. Okay, let's select that one. Extension, ink stitch, troubleshoot object. Okay. Let's find out extension, ink stitch, troubleshoot objects. Okay. Extension, ink stitch, troubleshoot objects. Okay. It sure tells me everything is good, should be good to go. Then we'll go and try it once more, see what happens. Ink stitch, params. Why is it not going? Okay, let's try ink stitch. Uh-oh. Something is not working. Okay, let's. Well, it is strange. It changed everything over already. Extension. Oh, ink stitch. Now we'll go to the simulator. So yeah, there were a few issues, but I don't know exactly what happened there. But hopefully some of the information you're getting out of this video may be helpful. Uh, let's see, where is now the speed it up a little. And there you have a colorful butterfly. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.